Mheshimiwa Gisesa, thank you so much also for create time to be with us today here. Karibu sana as a channel. Unanisikia vizuri?
Asante sana nakusikia vizuri
Okay.
But I'm using the phone's mouthpiece, Timbwati earphones.
Okay.
So
okay.
hoping that the audio will be good.
No, I can hear you well. First of all, you can introduce yourself and wakumaji.
Tangoro kunya mbega Gisesa.
Mm-hmm.
Mo MCO Rigoma Ward. Ngankeroka Rigoma Ward. Nso merete financial economics Kurgera University. Aseke gusi obunobo koko. Namba ibere ngasomera Richiko from the University of Nairobi. I'm doing my master's in Master of Science in Project Evaluation from KISU University. But I've been a journalist for a very long time. And I'm the national chairperson United Progress for Alliance. I'm also a family man. I stay in Keroka. And then in Toragete. Kabisa.
Straight to the point. Yesterday, Naro Chomachete Bondo. Mwachete about see leaders group or team ya Matiang'i.
Nande most importantly, Nanda say campaign team Yomoske, Dr. Fred Matiang'i, we've been there. Actually, I want to go on record. Ingante na Beto Motangani ku announce Papa Ganga Matiang'i go president. That was in around December 12th last year. Konyaratara announced. But Keratu atangazete. Ikatovere shida sana because he was already working, he complained, but we came out because we have always believed that for Kenya to move forward, Dr. Fredo Okengo Matiang'i abe president ya Kenya.
Okay.
So from when we announced up to now, we'll be celebrating the first anniversary of that announcement this coming month in November. We made the announcement, inge chama kia UPA, Kurwari Nyamira. We'll just tell our National Governing Council meeting when we made the announcement. I want to confess we are not consulted him, but we believed in, and since we've been in this presidential campaign before, we've seen the mistakes that Jaramogi made in 1992. We've seen the mistakes that Jaramogi made in 1992, Jaramogi alongside Moske Kenneth Matiba. We saw the mistakes that the opposition made in 1997 against President Moi. Because President Moi in 1997 was a very unpopular candidate. And then we've seen the mistakes, or we've seen the strength that the opposition made in 2002. Well, that's how he came up early. So yesterday, as party team Yomoske Dr. Fred Matiang'i, led by the Gusi Council of Elders, and the Omochia person ito Matundra Chief Matundra na bantu wange. Ngoja the delegation. Omwano mndoda was shocked yesterday. There are more than a convoy presidential. There are more than 100 vehicles. Tiakola Tomoske Matiang'i, Otiari, Opoda Form na Kango Jaramogi. And then you had 3 buses. Tiabwate Abagaka Bagusi, Babagere Chinguba, na Kiregento. And it was a very, very nice. Almost Keida Tevetenga, Asabandova Chirakomora. A delegation that you ever would see Neramo Mono. But we went, we are humble and we know we are real. We are not faking it. I told Arusi Chombe 50 toko iroro na Lucy Chombe Tiomo, no buya. You have to go with what we have. Okay, na novel MSC, Amatoke, Emiongo, you know what we had. And Okwendo Rone Rietarigia. And with a good show.
You go on all the general in a key. When you get them, can you allow them to Maburaka?
She's okay, she's keeping strong, but she said after this week in Nairobi, Nairobi, there are a lot of people because we had an appointment at 10. We left there around 1, but there are like 3 or 4 other delegations. There was a team, H Bishop, H Priest, football team. Yani, it's a very, very busy home.
Now, I know the first time I get you over MCA, what me at ODM.
The first time, now I got over MCA. In 2013, I to meet SDP. Kiama Kerikia Kavere Kiangilu.
Okay, in the world to meet ODM.
And then in 2017, Ngatumia ODM.
Okay, good. So, a relationship with Raila, what can you say about Raila, especially in your party?
I just want to confess, like every person in my family, Nandega de Kiaro to Kura Somoske, Timothy Bosire, Nero Gareta to Ganja, ODM na Raila. In from 2002 to 2002, I was a very young man. I just done my KCP Amatem. To my Bosire to Ganza support Raila. And you remember in the election year 2002, what happened? And then in Onyorech Kuratia Koru 2002, Ekaroyo Naruto president, Moya Ruto president. And then we had a presidential candidate who was Uhuru Kenyatta versus. Because of Raila, we supported Kibaki. My family at that time supported Kibaki. In 2007, when we supported Raila and they defeated Kibaki, lakini Kibaki akatoivera chukura. And I want to confess, in the repeat elections, 2007, I was kept under house arrest. Because then I didn't get youth winger ya Raila. Ekababa Ntombareba Planet go create havoc in the repeat elections. 2007. Yes.
Okay.
Raila versus Kibaki. Abaskari bachite aringa keroka wakapaki galipara. So the repeat elections, remember there was a disputed Chikura Chiakane too. So in the repeat elections, we could not get out of home because Abaskari bachi and then they blocked us. That's how much we loved Raila. In 2013 elections, to support Raila against Uhuru Kenyatta. We remember at that time, Uhuru Kenyatta and William Ruto were indictees by ICC, but we supported him. In 2017, we still supported Raila against Uhuru. Go to our time. The same thing we did in 2022. So in my entire life for a presidential race, I've only known one presidential candidate, Oyo Raila Amolo Odinga. Okay. 2027, Nalingo Jagoje presidential candidate, what they got Dr. Fred Okengo Matiani.
Kerogwa nyorite ticket ya ODM at that time. Was it an easy task for you? Ama it was a challenge to get the ODM ticket?
In 2000, as a difference, change almost getting what was here. In 2013, I was supposed to be the ODM candidate for Rigom Award. Bosire bakangeti bako mungwano olengo rokunga matoke orikuwa niega ri ambulance ya Agucha. They ended up being around number 14 out of 21 candidates. I was supposed to be the candidate. Ekarachukura chika chia 2017 ngarwe kambi ya Bosire ODM ngende kambi ya Gesamina Nyagarama. Na bare go control. Nento gakora bokora boito tukanyore ticket in 2017. Actually in 2017 I won the elections but bokora bokaba as a tiling center. So I lost bitterly. And then 2022, there was no democracy, there was unfairness. As a ODM, and then almost came at the formula chama to join, so I invited under UPA, United Progressive Alliance Party, as one on the national chairman.
Right. Now, kulingana na kwa omuske Yagosira Raila Amolo Odinga. Go support yaringa machi 2027. Kulingana na kwa.
Actually, again, don't I thought I have Kenya because I worked in the newsroom until 6 months ago. I recently talk about Chikura. Matiang'i was to be the presidential candidate Kenya in 2022.
Yes.
And I want to look at the media coverage in Standard and in Nation before Kwanos Raila. Kwenye serikali alisema inere support. The idea went on, and then they agreed the President Uhuru Gateba, let's give Raila Amolo Odinga ngaki arabodi Chikura for the last time.
Okay.
So Matiang'i even Raila himself said that.
Raila
Matiang'i inga bono, you are still young. Let me buy for the last time. You'll be the so in to expect to 2027. That's a candidate president Raila goes almost here Okorokunga Matiang'i.
You got tell Matiang'i candidate tebetu ngara vera candidate to support Raila.
President Raila Bamo tebeti because Matiang'i could have been the presidential candidate in 2022 elections.
So was on any possibility nga Raila na support in 2027 despite the arrangements to original.
You remember kwenye Raila Taraku the last statement here Megati will have a presidential candidate in 2027. There are all indications. Yes.
Oh, Matiang'i was to be their candidate.
Yes.
Thank you. Now let's go straight to the UPA party where you are the chairperson. Give me the structure of your party by names, party leader up to maybe the second general or something like that.
The United Progressive Alliance gave what NEC a remainder of 21 members.
All right.
And these NEC were elected as to about the National Delegates Conference 2 years ago.
Okay.
No matter abantu wako chore kiama leaders, party members, delegates. So delegates ba site baga choro moske Nyaribo because they had been elected as a governor. In the Chikura Chia 20 again, shunera ando wako chaware and then give explanation. The Chikura Chia 2020, the Chikura Chia 2022. You pay about 331 candidates across Kenya. Fortunately or unfortunately, abantu bachore tu ebirogo out of those candidates now bagusiboka.
Okay.
So when we met, wakaligereri echame na kiere. Wakateba a position ya party leader orokoba interim yoko on behalf of Matiang'i wakagive to the senior most elected leader.
Okay.
Uyorongo Governor Amos Nyaribo. Through a process ya water voting. Akaenda unopposed. Number 2, economic deputy party leader. But of course, we have to balance all of the regions here Kenya. But inga itu anyolide biroko. Ekabangusi. So they gave the position of deputy party leader to the only elected MP in the party. Oyoro Mosco Nchoke. Omojumbo Bonchari.
Yes.
Bagata na Mbaisato, a party chairman. Nga compete na bantu batatu.
Okay.
Babere Nairobi and no more from Coast region. And because abantu nantu arenge elected to ngabange korgusi, I won. Ekreke position ST. It went unopposed. Ochemo Jacob Wagaka. And they also had been elected in MCA ne deputy speaker of Kisii County Assembly.
Yes.
After that, Obo National Treasurer. Wakachero Mosco Korokunga Derek Mosiani. Omo Masai Coronaro County. Obo Organizing Secretary, Wakachera Alice Tiongo Korukiambu County. Obo Deputy SG, Wakachero Moria Koruwajia County. Okorokunga Ishmael Ahmed. Obo Deputy Organizing Secretary, Wakachero Umo Kalent Yokurunga Serem Kurwa Sinigishu County.
Okay.
Nduwate Athenek Tuwate Florence Akech. Nduwate Jonah Shkulu. We have people from all over Kenya. Actually, abagusi ase chama kia NEC ya UPA into the list. We are like just 30%. But one branda according a party leader nge chairman nge SD. And they have explained na kia wanda abachore tu.
Sure. Lakini ngwara ubale in parties.
Chama, why are you not asking the same questions to ODM? Chama gi ODM a party leader bonu ya no buru. National chairperson. National chairperson. Gladys Wanga. No. You see, when you ask us these questions, you should ask chama ya Jubilee, the party leader no uru. Omo Sinkioni. You ask the same question. Organizing secretary. Zach, you should not be asking this other party the question. Again, shida. You want to bring your own people down. You are not asking the other party the same question. Ngwaro Chegoro, party central committee ya ODM. Omo ndo weko otadio mogeroro sifuna.
You agree?
Because even a Simbarat is not part of the party central committee ya ODM. Yes.
So this was my question. A question No, according to the regulations here in place right now, and someone who is not elected as a party I will position of, for instance, of an SG. They're allowed.
Yes.
It's allowed, eh? So you had the freedom. Okay. Yeah, I just wanted to confirm that. Now, the idea of Dr. Fred Matiang'i is to avoid a tribal party. How can you convince Kenyans UP is not a tribal party when the top leadership from the same region?
Every Matiang'i Jubilee, Boniga. Who is the party leader of Jubilee?
No, okay.
No, I'm asking a question. Who is the party leader of Jubilee?
Of course, right now it is Uhuru Kenyatta.
Who is the deputy party leader?
I don't know. Who is it?
No. Who is the deputy party leader of Jubilee?
No, you tell me.
David Murathe.
Oh, David Murathe. Okay, fine.
Who is the SG?
Jeremiah Kioni.
Jeremiah. Kibale. So is Jubilee not that actually as a Kenya, Jubilee is the most tribal party. Who is the organizing secretary?
Oh, that's good.
I'm asking a question. Who is the organizing secretary?
I don't know the organizing secretary. Actually, I haven't researched.
Pauline Njoroge.
Okay.
So if there's a political party in Kenya wanting to get the most tribal Jubilee, that is not UPA. And that's the reality. When you are doing this analyzing, get what you get in the from a difference from perception and a difference in fact.
What made Matiang'i not to go with UPA?
Yeah?
What made Matiang'i touch or UPA?
Number one. A presidential candidate has the prerogative of
yes.
At the end of the day, Tariq is a president. Matiang'i. It's the decision. And this decision is based not just the interest here as a UPA yoka.
Yes.
There are decisions about the week and semester. Economic can semester. Now what the UPA, now what the Jubilee, now what the PNU, now what the PDP has like 11 parties can semester. And these parties have to make decisions. Number one, which political party among these about the elected leaders, but that region it ended up being Jubilee. Consideration number one. Number two, out of these political parties, how many people from there, but there's three president, about two parties, Jubilee and PNU. Number three, out of these political parties, which political party at the current status, about the financial muscles, very representation candidate no Pokot, very representation candidate no Todo Young, very representation candidate no Seme, very representative, those concerns are put on the table. And that's the reason why. And no one has opposed that decision. Yes.
Are you PA comfortable with that decision?
But in UPA, there's no one in UPA who is vying for presidency. What's the nigga mind?
Lakini kama kile kama Matiang'i kia.
There's nothing wrong with that. But as about Niga, there's none who's vying for the president. A presidential candidate in our resolutions, Dr. Fred Matiang'i. Dr. Otebire Chame Neane. But on Otebire Nganaki, we have to win the president together. There's no single party in the last 20 years in Kenya that has won the presidency. Remember, in the 2022 elections, we had Raila in Azimio. We have Ruto, Okombeni Chama, URP, na UDA, Biame, we have formed UDA. The election before that, there was CORD. The election before that, the same process. So there's nothing new.
Ingi guys viete Matiang'i kumuki UPA na kio wameke coalition na Jubilee.
But you are doing it. There will be a framework. There will be a framework between Jubilee and 11 other political parties. They are coming. And there is no political party Awire Chukura president in 20 years in Kenya. They are very formed 6 months before the general elections. Now, they keep in mind. Every party has been formed Awire Chukura 6 months to the elections.
Na party teyo ya Awire elections kabere in Kenya.
That's all those true. That's why I'm saying even 2027, most likely the scenario is there. Matiang'i will stand in a coalition party. You Jubilee. But that entirely depends on him.
Okay. Bono, musindu wachi by elections. Nyansiongo, Nyamaiga na Kerenyo. Party more settled on UPA was settled.
There was an agreement that only UPA will field candidates under the banner of Matiang'i Usi.
Okay.
That's why Jubilee is not fielding. In all those 3 wards.
Okay.
That's why the other affiliate parties, they are not fielding any candidate in those 3 wards.
You go on UPA yoka tumendu wa rachukura mno mugusi.
UPA Nyansiongo, UPA Kerenyo, and UPA Nyamaiga.
Is it going to extend to 2027? Because we kara city by election kwanza agreement yuma bwana.
Omwana minto 2027 ne kara tambe sana. No bono 3 weeks we didn't expect ngarela ngo kwalenga taribo.
Yeah, of course.
Akiri bono kule. We have to see the reality tiraboniga. As a party in UPA, we are building our structures to ensure I've been in Nyansiongo the whole day today.
Okay.
Manage Kura. The other team, Tiarenge Kerenyo, the other thing, Tiarenge Nyamaiga. 2027, we'll talk about 2027. But now we are building structures, no cover strong, no cover virogo.
Omugusi, bonego. Abantu bakubori na ki Matiang'i na katara to esega yito. One esega yito kulingana na nini?
Atara karaki.
Atara to esega yito.
Bando kibakubori.
Abagusi.
UPA nere esega yomugusi. But UPA alone cannot propel Matiang'i to the president. It has to do in partnership with other parties.
Okay. You go on esega yomugusi officially Nyamaiga UPA chairperson. Whatever, esega yomugusi UPA then tagusi tonyebeke yelo.
No maintenance nande.
The word again, of course. One Jubilee na kima what in mind because na kima Matiang'i kwa na mind.
I've tried to explain something to you.
Yeah, I've also had it. Now I'm asking this question.
UPA and Jubilee they will form a coalition for 2027 and other parties. That UPA yoka. So what Kiaba Meru, Kiaba Ikoyo, every man will form one coalition. But with the intention that you have one presidential candidate, Dr. Fred Okengo Matiang'i.
Thank you. Again, I'll clarify, which is fine. Now, do you feel that Matiang'i alenge US UPA more affiliated somewhere?
Yeah?
Do you feeling about UPA, the entire UPA leadership? Did you fail somewhere to create a structure, a radical properly Matiang'i national?
Yes, we've created a national structure, but we have our strength and we have our limitations.
Okay.
F28 that we have offices running in 24 counties in Kenya. But one of our weaknesses, we have elected leaders in only 2 counties in Kenya.
Mm.
We have to live to the reality for us to grow.
Okay.
So we needed to go to other players. Twara ujuzi kutobwa komwanga nje Nyambeka Kisesa. Because in Nyambeka Kisesa, I've only been an elected as an MC and once. I've never been elected as an MP, I've never been elected as a senator, as a governor, or anything else beyond there.
Yeah. Yes.
So it was very important. Twara na corona kitura wasikego timotu.
Okay. Ono mheshimiwa, as we speak today, we see ito generally ntubuate a mix up in terms of chiparties na ntubacho at 2022 statistics. According to you, kuna wategere ground mne MCA ya Nyamira County. A possibility now the entire Gusinto nyala jumbe from one party wa support Osomole komati yang boss.
It's not possible, eh?
Uh-huh.
And the reason why it's not possible, the candidates choose a different path. Usinto wate kama PDP kiomo skemagara.
Okay.
Which is predominantly in South Mugrango na part ingeko tiabo Nchari.
Okay.
Ndo what actually the only party is what wajumbe kusiboniga is UPA, ODM, Jubilee, UDA, na Wiper. So those are the main political parties Chiragusi. Out of these main political parties Chiragusi, two of them are Chamatiang. UPA na Jubilee.
Yes.
And then Wiper, no united opposition, against UDA na ODM.
Okay.
So we don't expecting a Gusinto to was kama kebwate linear yoka. But we endeavor to UPA, it's possible. But also understand the challenge politically.
Oh, okay.
There are regions in Gusi, one of them South Mugrango, we have other political players in South Mugrango. So we understand those challenges politically.
Kulingana na mnabona umuntu ina parts of Matiang'i, ina team ya Matiang'i. A possibility nero Dr. Kemo Fred Matiang'i be flag bearer. The united opposition.
The flag bearer yang.
The united opposition.
Yes. Is the most popular candidate. The people are not going to vote for tired and recycled politicians, but very for ages. Almost Kekaloto Musyoka is a good guy. He's been in politics from 1987. I know you are not born in 1987. Because I'm the ultimate of your two elder sisters. Number two, people are not going to vote for Rigathi Gachagua. Who is kind of politics is tribal against other political parties.
Okay.
So if the united opposition has to survive, it has to select a candidate here Moyoka. You're almost Matiang'i.
Okay.
Beyond that is dead and dead.
Atachori, you can engage you.
There's no united opposition without Matiang'i.
One iga for Korea area, Matiang'i is very quiet. Politics here, it is Inkiga Sena Setimi Matiang'i. Inkiga Sena Setimi Matiang'i.
Irorango, Kara.
Boniga. So Kuvatevinduvuya, I think Matiang'i is more of quiet. Don't worry about him. People don't know what he's doing. Inkiga assignment from the team Matiang'i, according to you.
The people who don't know what they are doing, sycophants, na sympathizers wa Moske William Ruto oranyore bunaiga.
Yes.
People know Matiang'i was in Bondo yesterday.
Yes.
He met a youth vacuum yesterday. We have to differentiate politics, Look at different presidential candidates. S20 Raila Amolo Odinga. In 2022
In 2022?
Yes.
Raila Amolo Odinga had so many strengths. 2022.
No, the main one. Political rallies.
Okay, fine.
Political rallies. Kwenote banga ni ODM kirase. Eswen jo moskeruto ngiare.
Chirali chinyinge. Na mdomo tamu.
Kanisa. Na delegations. Abantu acha boyo baikaransi. Which Raila never used to do. Nech kanisa ga attend. Yet the person who was on top of the vehicle most of the times Raila never won against Ruto. True or false? True or false?
True.
Twende chikura cha 2022. Chikura cha 2017. Raila campaigned on top of the vehicle. Uhuru and Ruto did delegations. Chikura cha 2007. They contested elections. Raila campaigned on top of the vehicle. Kibaki did delegations. So every politician, now what in Jiragaraki, our campaign. Matiang'i has decided his campaign is not to be on the top of the vehicle.
Okay.
That his campaign are to meet people in smaller meetings, but to pass the message. This weekend, Wakaribo Ikoyo, in a similar method.
Bono maitava Kenya, nendutu bate structured politics yakon.
But Motaba Kenya wakone siasa inga Raila who never won the president. So Matiang'i has worked with all these people, so he understands. Those are opinion poll yakodurero yasokarero. Matiang'i is way ahead than all these other people. Boniga, let me ask you. When was the last meeting Gachagua attended in public?
It could be 2 or 3 weeks ago. 2 weeks, let me say so.
It was in Ukambani. Ukambani. Ingia tebede. Ruto? One time. Before that, Asade, ingia tebede.
One time.
Before that, ingia tebede.
One time.
So the only thing that Gachagua goes to speak on behalf of the vehicle is one time. Nothing else. Kenyans will reach a time they'll get tired of that message.
Okay.
Nothing literally one time. Ngana take one time. So people want different engagements. You have professionals, you have on the border, you have lawyers, you have on the vacancy. They want different messaging. So you cannot decide to come Matiang'i goregali forever in Jarigati Aveire. Usakalonzo.
As opposition, Matiang'i relationship and the other opposition leaders in here.
It's a reality that opposition is trained Boniga. But also these are people who have never worked before.
Yes.
Before Rigathi Gachagua became the deputy president, Matiang'i akorama.
Okay.
Kakwandaran Matiang'i akorama. Kakorisapa Matiang'i akorama. Akonyecha ya fete ya botuko soltar ko nyongoli Matiang'i akorama. Kwarade. Kalonzo has been there for almost 30 years.
40,
so people are trying and now Maboniga. You cannot expect with the same message. It will take time for them to build together.
You go and you got relationship you have telling you.
No. They have a relationship. Which is trained.
Okay. Now good. Well, no. Ntoma tenga Kenya nere tribal. In terms of the way people vote, na wa shukura chiavo. You think Matiang'i na we shukura atapa kwa dibanda ubanda?
Abele. Nkila nikiore.
nje umogetu.
No. I know Moget, but which is your clan?
Munyaikoma, metwe miyomo.
Munyaikoma. Ngekwa some the primary.
Adiye sema mwago Kerira.
Ikarwa na wasoma Kerira. Ngwa maete Kerira skuru mwana kibo Munyaikoma no yo mwamo sioma.
No.
You didn't know?
We didn't know.
That was in primary school.
Yeah.
Secondary school kiwachede.
Na chete Homa Bay ngakora na Mongori.
Karwa nga Mongori. Kwa maete Mogetu no Mogrango ningo.
Now my.
You went to university. Did you know the same? Now, why are you trying to assume that you are the generation which is below 35 years old will vote for Matiang'i Soldado Mogusi? Are you going to vote for Matiang'i Soldado Mogusi?
Now look at this. My question is, Matiang'i. No. I want to give you my point. Matiang'i tiniku mwakira kura asengi Soldado Mogusi.
So why do you think Akikuyu will not vote for him, Soldado Mogusi? You know, there's one thing we need to understand now. My kids, Parabake, my wife has never known a clan. Osinomo Kimotwe, Osinomo Sigisa. A generation below 35 years, Boniga, will make a decision based on Kiwarenga to Montara Koreki. The kind of sentiment that journalists are trying to make, it's based on the old politics. And when I left media in 2022, when I was resigning from Nation, I told the editors, stop writing for us stories about second liberation heroes. Motori Kirega Raila Amolo Odinga, Feroz Norje, James Orengo, Mwandawiro Muganga, Abandabuna mentioned Barengo Maide.
Raila, James Orengo.
You don't know these others. Because a generation at that time, they don't value second liberation heroes, people who vote for democracy. Probably 10 years ago in Kenya, there was only 20 years ago in 1991. There was also only one political party. One political party. Times are changing. One nigga, he got a restaurant, Kisegorunga Pots restaurant. I don't know who is the owner. I don't care where he comes from, but I'm here, I'm doing my interview. Kingo Kora, I pay my bills, I go home, I'm bingo boka, mboli na kingo rusama after yegad. And even my words I'm telling people, stop clan politics. Stop tribal politics. And the reason why Matiang'i is popular in Kenya, it comes from number 5 or number 6. A tribe. But people have believed that this guy can work for me. If Matiang'i was a minister of security, I can go home, I can sleep. Education. I can sleep without thinking on how I'll cheat on the exam because the other school is not going to cheat in that exam. Now, Matiang'i Mwaziri or ICT, that one year platform because at that time they had refused Kenya Gasmeti for almost 3 months. That this is a guy you can believe he can deliver. It's not about which clan he comes from which region. Actually, I argue with him a lot. Because as a start, but I discovered it's Kenyans want Matiang'i to be the president. Yes, and that's the reality.
Well, I have my reality. Kenya region ya Kenya, they want to move behind.
So, who are they rallying behind?
Gachagua. Take it to the bank.
No.
Take it to the bank.
Okay, let me tell you.
Let me just give you my facts, then you proceed. Here on this channel, as the way we are doing the interview with you today, I also engage with the people directly. And being a statistician by profession, I can tell you outrightly, they are running behind Rigathi Gachagua across. With that thinking, they are all with other leaders. Yet you guys are right. We want a Kenya where we want leaders to just get elected because of what they are able to do. Like if you want to say, as other leaders, they're having a different thinking. Like most move around that.
Let me ask a question, Ekero Coral being a person, is that person contesting for a seat or not?
Bono, in Mount Kenya, just to answer your question, they don't have a kingpin. They say they have a leader, a warrior who leads their cause.
Nikosa moving just the space because of the SAH also charges him.
Okay, so then Gachagua is leading the cause in Mount Kenya. I want to assure you that. Unless things change, but as for now, Nairo will lead the cause of Mount Kenya of one term, taking William Ruto home. So they expect Gachagua to give directions in their course of taking William Ruto home. So in a nutshell,
they are not rallying behind him because he's not a candidate. They expect no other direction.
There's a direction.
There's a very big difference between what you are saying and what you have said now. You have expected it? About direction, I think I want to connect to the Tokore. But they cannot rally behind him because he will not be a candidate.
Of course.
Why are the Kikuyus against Ruto?
Yes.
Not because he hates Kikuyus. Ruto ni rani Gachagua serikali boniga. Aba ikombera na Ruto.
No.
So they are not rallying behind him.
Yes.
Because it happens that in Kenya now what they are saying. They are just aggrieved because even though they have lost jobs, they have lost opportunities. They not only no Matiangi. No Mirani as serikali ya Ruto waniga. Ta konyo ba gusitu wako mabwatu gochoro.
Come on.
No Gachagua no Mirani. So they are not rallying behind them. The Kikuyus are against because of their businesses. Kwa chile Nairobi. No parking. The businesses are ruined because of Ruto. So the reason why people are rallying behind Matiang'i will be a presidential candidate is so
yes.
That's the reason why. They believe that if I wake up in the morning and there's a president who knows that this president is Dr. Fred Matiang'i, even if my kid failed in school, it could have failed in the right way. Even if now travel in the Nairobi town, if I got to town, that's the reason why. That this president is not a sponsor of wars elsewhere. Tariko sponsor Pakistan, Somalia, that we don't live in perpetual fear. As in to be a national security aid. Hey. No one will follow him.
It is true.
Amenda peke yake na bibi yake na watoto wake. Lakini Wakenya they will not follow him. So people believe in Matiang'i because Matiang'i has a cause for Kenyan people.
Common money. Awale chiro ga and the pigi wata Matiang'i serious. According to you, Nkyorabate.
Barabi.
About the wata Matiang'i serious.
They don't vote for Ruto. That's my message to them. Because Ruto has ruined everyone.
Okay.
He has ruined me. He has ruined you. He has ruined your mother. He has ruined your grandmother.
Let's shift to Nyamira County. Are you there? In Nyamira County. This is MCA, county government. That's for you. For the sake of
Segiti chira era rakeni njipoete. People have personal interest. Number one, the main interest one watu wata Nyamira is supporters Baruto na supporters wa Matiang'i.
Okay.
No into Baritora assembly to Korani because of that war. Because Ruto wants dominance. So that people feel outside Gusii, out of especially Nyamira County, that Matiang'i is a weak candidate, is not able Korenia Sakoru, and that's what is there. And number two, abantu bari surrounded Matiang'i boniga. Who've been propagating these wars.
Okay.
Omo Senator Kongo. Omo Kenya Moko lakini are Rusi. Omo Karama. And this is a mistake which the Luo nation made with Jaramogi Oginga in 1992.
Okay.
Actually, I can even blame Omo Senator Onyongo Kisi. That Onyonga has so bad wars, Omo Governor Simba, that they cannot sit down but is only president. Okongo Mogeni, who is the center for Nyamira, has so bad wars, no more Governor Nyaliwo. They cannot sit down together and this will be our weak link in 2027.
Okay.
In 1992, Ekarojara Mogara Koro president. Abagara did the same. By the time I wanted Bagashil Jaramogi, so Jaramogi ended up being a candidate voted only by Luos. So those local politicians supporting Bakabu Achikura, but Jaramogi lost the president. Yes.
Well, no campaign team Matiang'i. Solution day you
No, the good thing is that we are 2 years. We are about 1 year and 11 months of the election. We have time. Ngabo no muskimati Matiang'i is surrounded by Abana Siasa Babori Chukura ba Luziri. When we went to Kisumu, there are more political losers than elected leaders in that entourage. And there are more political losers and sitting elected leaders than aspirants, which is also a warning sign. Because you're more than 10 aspirants. So all these aspirants will find a platform back over naye. Ondeta afigareki excluded. Nonjo ngobolo digo ma ward. Ngwada nyore abantu akobolo bo MCA, moske motari, moske machini, moske gechure, moske ngo bago support Matiang'i. Ikaro se digo ma ward Matiang'i to karaki.
Mogo support.
Togo support. Agado ward. Again, again, observe Tikoru that Obere surrounded, now and the elected. Now and Tabanga is ready to Kura, but about any chance of political revival than young people who are up and coming, who are likely to win. Omade Tikura Chiaku said to the Timbe. In every election, we see 8% of the leaders lose seats. Obo Jumbe Wanya Mira, almost Kenya Mokowega Nero retained it. So the MP for Rabu lost, the MP for Getutu lost, the MP for West Mogrango lost. Obo Jumbe Wakisi County, to the Nyaribari. The MP for Nyaribari lost Masaba. The MP for Nyaribari Chache lost. To the Nabo Getutu. The MP Wakutu Masaba North and South, they both lost. Bonjari, the MP Bonjari lost. Ogrango. Omo Jumbe Nero retained it. After Rabu Jumbe Wokaba retained it, Gusii, no more Jumbo South Mogrango, Silvana Zosoro, that was support Matiang'i. Omo Jumbo Machoga Church. Almost Alpha Miruka. That was support Matiang'i. No more score video of us. So this they lost. 80% of the MCS one Nyamira county they lost. 90% of MCS Kisi county they lost. So into our genuine as our president wa Matiangi, ekere meeting yeko koru. E when they koru, e whether the former elected leaders vache mesa. The sitting leaders vache mesa. The aspirants bonds bato ke mesa. Natura skoti motubia. Because you are likely to keep a candidate kuna kuenge chisi ya kusi na nini like they have tried to do for us in Nyansiongo ward where Nyansiongo ward you have two candidates for us Matiang
UPA
and there's a candidate from another party. These former elected leaders were not and we expect them to has come to understand that let the people decide. Let the people decide.
So
very important.
Nyansiongo ko mubwate etimo ya mo lakini bakurwana. Igo mubwate direct person Matiangi yo.
No. There are some infighting in Keigo. But we've stood the ground, we've said omonto re ground that no moske kelli marangore ticket ya UPA. People don't want to listen to stories. Brokers by Nairobi, whatever into to a proposal, we get Keyo. Abantu Tikura ne ground. Matiang is very popular boniga because Naba na inchiba koreki. That's the reason why I got to a point man ya Matiangi chunu word kwanya nataka leo kita because aba na inchiba koreki. And this is what we want for the presidential candidates. A platform in which every leader I got it.
Issue you might there are two rivals from this team.
No. It's an issue you've discussed and it's being handled.
Oh, it's being handled. Now, chances according to your assessment, are you somewhere better than the other side? Two term.
Chances, yeah.
Chokobua by election.
UPA will sweep. It will make a in Nyansionga and Nyamaya. There's no doubt about that.
It's a person here, UPA. There's the one of the Tagawa. I will see about Tavaiga. Every minute, Mokoba Moira. Onga, where the Garicho.
When are they?
Garicho, Omeno. So make sure. Please make sure Manyo because UPA is a question which means we have lost it. Now let me come to the development. Your friend and my governor is not a problem needed.
It's not what? Umwana mdori swari ngora koboli neriga. Umugaba no kisera ngo kwani bya samagendero.
They go kwanu bya.
Oyo Nyamira no kisi no taro kwanu bya mono.
Oyo kisi. That is my understanding. Like I want to watch Nyari was worse, but I know Nyari is better than Kisi. That's my understanding.
Let me tell you. Karuto abale chukura 2022. People expect us to work for them. That's the reality. There are common grievances on the Babuate. They expect development to be done. And which I'm sure Mugavano Nyamira is working towards that. The other grievances today sponsored in our media sessions, who have their own political ambitions. So the moment we no korama, in there and out. I've been in media before. See. But the fact is, if you come, Ntuajeta Matanga Gesima, almost scale Korogunga, Omo Ibera Nebwegesa. Akatanga Chinakitari, Tiwat Mariogo, Ponyakitari Tveyo, Etire Chimbe. Omwano Minto, no Matanyakitari Akeroka.
Mate?
About to say Nakatari.
Mongwa Naro, a very close person to me, Ogando Jim Kurari, Mario. Eh? I'm a Italians. Ikabidi ende capture tena ndomrete picha. I'll send you the photo.
Bon, I think this is your platform, eh? I want you to go personally and Kenya Gitali.
Okay.
Have you gone to any public facility within Rigoma Ward?
No, nyasa onkonyo tinda arwara kwenye.
I'm being so ekaruta kwenda public facility so nyasa akakonya nduto kwenda nyasa tatokonya. You know, these things are based on perceptions.
Okay.
Waziri Canada ngwe waziri of PSM na arwara juzi. He was not taken to Aga Khan, he was taken to Nyamira County Referral Hospital.
Okay.
Almost speak with Nyabaro Narwarte in December. Almost Kenya Meino. Almost Koge, they are being taken to Nyamira Referral Hospital.
Yes.
Personally, I go to Keroka for treatment. Yes. Like what they are, have faith in your facility. The Rabbi MCA Bones P. Be assembly, Rabbi MCA to around 30, not to Nyamira Nyakitali. Corona Kiagodaki. And they were very impressed. The perception of what Nyamira is people who don't believe.
The final thing, Kero Mondachi Kurwaliwa, Namalio. I know to talk about Sanaki, Naro, because Negata the best services. Eventually, Amarioga
is just an excuse to abuse a facility.
No, there's no abusing. Now,
no.
A tour.
The most important thing in Okorwaliwa. Okowa diagnosed. Actually, Marioko is not a medical officer who gives is a pharmacy with the tail end. The first thing about check your pressure, everything. When say nurse, when I say clinical officer, or say medical officer, when X-ray, are those things there? We've not been able to manage this year, but from this financial year, to call a revolving fund. It's being solved. But
okay.
No drugs. Yes. No surgery. Yes. All these things are happening in our facilities. Nyamira, we have a theater we have 2 theaters. Actually, theater Keroka is the most modern in the Tayagusi. Better than all private facilities. We have 2 theaters in Nyamira. We have one in Ekerenyo. They are doing another one in Yamusi. And this is reality. And another one has been done in Itambe. But there's also Mondachite Nyagitari. Aga Takakwago say Penkile Ngazuri Teyo, Agatwara those miskins. I've also challenged you. Wake up about Bible Keroka no one of the Korot. I just go there. We had an accident, you go around to walk with the 7. Para. What the first caregivers now just go to the facility.
Utwara facilities mbia, utwara equipment saine, it's okay. Lakini bono meto munaro nka wakana sha. Oma kwenye gitari urwari wa opim kregento a problem.
I want to ask you a very, very honest question. You claimed one case.
Just one case.
Have you had another case?
I haven't been interested. Actually, so, I was sent.
Population Yarigoma ward 45,000. Now it will ward a neighboring 40,000. I'm now on to 90,000. You are health care system because of one case.
No. I am not summarizing anybody. I was just telling you.
No, I'm trying to say you are what Mario. Based on what?
No, I was, this was my point of Mheshimiwa. I was not making a decision in Mario. I was just telling you, reaction sent me.
So where you come from, only one person has been sick for the last 1 year or several months.
No, I haven't researched. It was not my intention.
All I'm trying to explain that also let's be responsive.
Yeah,
was an accident. We have to build these facilities to Boate. If people report late, people reported late to me. By 10 I call mapema.
Okay.
You see, and issue to what one nigga as a health sector that no Mariogo Kenyangima. is medical personnel badari kwenda kurwali.
Okay.
Badari kwa in time na like we deal with that one first, we will have dealt with the other issues.
Now, apart from Sinekitali, of course, Nima Tekeroka, Mbiyere, I've gone to some other hospitals like the main hospital in Nyamira, Nachiro. The facility is clean and actually services are being offered there. It's only that we don't know the dynamics right now because depending on the frameworks more in place. Apart from the healthcare sector, to the market now there's the MCA.
Yes, market.
How long should people wait for that market to be complete?
A market had a contract.
For
1 year.
Okay.
That 1 year has not ended.
Okay.
You see? Epara ya mabuko, yela miaroko beko. Nde mbaka nyangoli. Eru nyangoli ke virongo, ende mbaka mutumo manga. Ndi ansete.
Nkale, during Matiangi's time, you are in the
Ruto launched by the around 2020.
No, Ruto relaunched it.
This or 2020, tariwa? This is 2025. Those are 5 years. They've only done 9 kilometers plus around 6. A pirate at 2 kilometers. Why don't people also ask these questions?
It's you have on this platform today. So I'm asking
what I'm going
something
to explain
you.
A project, never the time frame, eh?
Okay.
You give a contractor 6 months, also 1 year. Okora. Contractor at 1 year, he has not financed that one is ending in December. And actually, the contractor more than I want to okora by now, payment is new already.
I think say World Bank.
National Treasury has not sent money.
Oh, okay.
The county, that project is not fully funded, but it's a co-funded project.
Oh, okay.
A county na ndio kuruchiwa STI. Najua chianyoro. So the control has no issue, but tara kanu.
Okay.
I have now saa tano ekire. What's what can I go chase about get?
I'm very sad.
No, we can do another session, eh?
We can do another session.
Yeah, but I still have to leave.
Usually we hold these interviews for just an hour, and actually I was even coming to an end of the show because that's why I asked about your project in Keroka. But let me just ask one question because someone told me to inquire from you, from Legal Award. Are you going for the senatorial seat? Ama unabaki MCA? Ama Sabado?
And Sabado. For now, we've achieved 80% of what we promised our people. We have an issue with roads. Next to achieve it the next 3 months. Once we've done that, in the next 3 months.
Okay.
From that, my goal is key. To accord vya murato riteni. Was to accord vya murato mente to ndo chibo. To no me wata ina kibata tokole.
Thank you. At least now okay sana uko host on my show today. Kenya sawa sisemi. So kuanchira na we'll join us a conversation here. And all the best in your endeavors as an MCA and the UPA chairperson.
Asante sana.
Ndio kwa ndatra mheshimiwa iga kama senator. Tumuvulia maswali.
Orori.
Okongo. Msanii.
Kwanere.
Have a good evening, sir.
Asante. Maro wengi asante sana. Thanks for hosting me na asante kwa viewers.
Asante sana.